In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Astropay app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. So to download and install the right Astropay on your Android smartphone, you need to go ahead and find Play Store. From Play Store, go ahead and tap on it. Then you need first to go ahead and log in with your email account. So I've logged here with my Gmail account. Now you should see a search bar on top here. Or if you can see the search bar, you should see a search icon down below. If you tap on it, now you can search the app by its name. So I'll search for Astropay just as one word like that, and then tap on search, and you can see we have Astropay here. Now to know that it is the right app, make sure it is from Astropay. And at the time of recording this, it had a star rating of 4.5 with over 226,000 reviews. Currently, this is the app logo. You can identify the app by its logo here. And this app has over 10 million downloads currently. By the time you are watching this data might have changed. And the file size is currently 77 MBs. This might also have changed. So if you see these details, then you'll know that you have the right Astropay app. To get it, go ahead and tap on install. And this will begin downloading the latest version of Astropay app and then install it on your smartphone. So once this has been installed, you can now proceed and tap on open from here to launch it. Or now if we go back to our apps, now you should see Astropay app is here. If I open it, this is the welcoming interface. Proceed and create an account if you don't have, or if you already have one, go ahead and tap on I already have an account to log into your Astropay app. So that's how you can install the right Astropay app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.